A big week ahead in the civil case against Casey. Attorneys for Zenaida Gonzalez want the judge to force George and Cindy to answer questions they refused in earlier depositions. West 2's Bob Kealing continues to break big developments in this case. And Bob, how likely is it that George and Cindy will give the Gonzalez team what they want?
Well, Martha, if they have their way, not likely at all. The Anthonys have been openly hostile and uncooperative to Gonzalez attorneys. But even so, a lawyer we've been consulting says George and Cindy should not be forced to answer.
Hold on.
Whoa, answer the question.
I'm giving you 5 minutes more of my time. Otherwise, that's where I'm walking out of here.
George and Cindy Anthony have been hostile towards attorneys for Zenaida Gonzalez and refused to answer a series of questions. For instance, both refused to talk about whether Casey stole from them. In response, attorneys for Gonzalez this week will go before Judge Jose Rodriguez and ask that he order them to answer.
I think Judge Rodriguez is probably going to tell them to move on.
Defense attorney Richard Hornsby says plenty of information is already available to help Gonzalez attorneys make their case that she is not the woman Casey Anthony claims kidnapped Kealing.
It's very obvious that this Zenaida Gonzalez doesn't exist. They need to now move into the next phase of their case, which is proving Zenaida didn't exist to a jury or a judge and seeking whatever their damages are. This is your typical tit-for-tat lawyering that I think gives lawyers in general a bad name.
West 2 has learned that Gonzalez lawyers seriously considered suing Cindy Anthony for allegedly repeating libelous statements against Gonzalez that she knew were incorrect. For now, they have decided against that course of action. Meanwhile, Tuesday, Casey's civil attorney will ask the judge to dismiss the suit or delay it until after Casey's death penalty trial is over. And after Casey's attorney makes his case tomorrow, the battle over the Anthony's unanswered questions takes place on Wednesday. Martha?
Bob, thank you. Still a lot of people on the fence about the president's planned speech.